Welcome to another makeup tutorial for beginners. Next is foundation, and we are using this foundation from V Beauty. Next is concealer, and I'm using this concealer from Adventure Makeup. It's a Blend Pro concealer. Next, I'm using a brighter shade of that the same Adventure Makeup Blend Pro concealer to brighten up the under eye. Next is cream blush, and I'm using this blush from Farah Makeup. Next, we are going to set our face with this Stay Matte powder from V Beauty. Next, you are going to set the cream blush with a powder blush. Next is eyes. And we are using this shade for the crease first. For the eyelid, I'm going to use this shade. Then I'm going to blend the edges to make sure there are no sharp lines. I'm going to use the shade we use on our crease from our lower lash line. I'm going to use this shade we use on our eyelid for the inner parts. Just the eyeshadow fallout. Next is mascara. Next is highlighter, and we're using this Candid Blue highlighter from Younger Beauty. Next is lips.